space. All right. Now, I'm making this video as a 3-minute pitch. The space travel to now, it's all been about rockets and just going rockets and rockets and rockets going. I think that thing's not really going to get us far because the truth is we don't have the strength, we don't have the fuel to go that way. That's not how the way the universe works. So we need something that goes with the flow. Have you done the yoga flow? Flow. So that's the natural design. So this is the pitch. So can we find some real estate? Okay, that is the Earth. Now the Earth has a magnetic field, right? So that's what the magnetic field looks like. Ain't it? Well, it does look like other things that are quite desirable, but that's what the Earth looks like. Now the flow is, we got to go naturally instead of trying to go off in a rocket from here and breaking away with brute force and escape velocity for rocket, getting out right here. This is our exit point. So we have 2 exit points. Every heavenly body has 2 exit points, just like you. Maybe one's the entry and one's the exit. So what happens every day, every single day, is 90 tons of water vapor. Yeah, so H2O is ejected out into space from the poles. That is a fact. That is a truth. Truth, my friend. So 45 tons, metric tons, that's a whole lot of things. Gets automatically gone into space. And so we have a constant stream of 90 tons of materials. Okay, that's just like water vapor, like the stuff that goes and becomes clouds over here in this closed magnetosphere. The magnetosphere is just right here. But so the idea is to go with the flow. In 1945, we didn't have that technology. All we knew was like Newton's law, brute force, up goes the thing, and that's it. No, but now we have the latest things of nanotechnology. Nanotechnology. Then we have a space elevator. So this is actually a space elevator. If you blow that up into like a real life scale, it would be something like almost like that. All right, like that, and then there's water vapor. There's streams of water vapor going out over there. So when you have, so all we have to do is channel that stream. Yeah, it's like, how do you make nitrogen? How do you make nitrogen? What's the constant process of making? You just suck in a whole lot of hay and they convert it into nitrogen. So similarly, we have like a jet stream pipeline of water molecules. So we can either funnel it and create different shapes, such as spacecraft. Because when it goes out into space, it becomes into really very hot stuff. We'll be constructing with water, the H2 or structure in space, because that's a miracle of water. Water is like a miraculous substance because it takes on many forms. We are 70% water. So our craft will be made of water, which will go in space. So now there's a whole lot of detail over there, but the process is pretty straightforward. It's if you can think it, you can do it. And we need to do it, and we need to do it now. We're not really going to get far with rockets and pushing ourselves with rockets and all. Now, that is about how do we build spacecraft and get it out of gravity.